Hey there everyone, it's SEMO-MAC again. I'm back again with another tool review. So, as I promised on my last video that I put out, going over the Bauer power tools, I told y'all I had picked up something, and y'all know how much I love my Porter Cable. I am a Porter Cable fanatic and I love them. I've dealt with them for years. But I want to do a little comparison here, and as always, transparency. I have bought both of these out of my own pocket, spent my own money. I'm not affiliated with Porter Cable or Harbor Freight and Bauer, nobody like that. This is stuff I buy out of my own pocket, because like I said, I am a big DIYer. You know, do everything myself as much as I can. But I thought this was pretty interesting. So I have been wanting one of these jokers for a very long time, and I finally found one, and it was on sale. These things normally run about 120 125 bucks for Porter Cable, and that's kind of cheap because DeWalt Milwaukee, whoo, buddy, let me tell you, they are very proud of their tools. But I ran across this one at Tractor Supply and I picked it up for 80 bucks, which I thought was a pretty good steal. And this joker's pretty good. I mean, I put several things together. This is a 3/8. This is the 3/8 one, is what this is. 3/8 ratchet. It's got your little light on there. I have a ton of these 1.5 amp hour batteries, and like I said, this thing is pretty light. It's kind of heavy, but it's light and it works very well. I actually put that cabinet together, my little bitty white cabinet over there. I put that together with it, and after I finished all of that, I got looking on my Harbor Freight app, because you know how I am about my Harbor Freight. I came across these, and these are currently right now on sale if you are an ITC member. And if you are an ITC member and it is a tool only, and you don't get the battery, I got that with my combo kit. If you get it, it is 45 bucks. That's right, $45 for this joker, and I couldn't believe it. And granted, I already have a 3/8 inch ratchet, but you know what, I'm like, I want it again. I want another one, because that's the way I am, because I wanted to do a comparison. And just so y'all see it, if I can bring it back up here, on my, let's see, Bauer, get this pulled up for you, and right there it is. If you can see that, kind of get that little shadow out of there for you. It's an ITC, and it is the 3/8 ratchet, tool only, $44.99. That's right, $44.99. And this joker is, as you can see, it is a little bit longer. Get up here. It's quite a bit longer. Bigger head on it. It is a little bit bigger. As you see, the heads, I mean, that's pretty good size right there. And this joker, but you would think that, had that on there, that being as big as it is, it's going to be heavier. It's not. Actually, this one right here has a little bit more weight to it than this one over here. This one actually is very well balanced. I'm actually quite surprised, but it is very well balanced. Now, that being said, as you saw, that I paid $80 for that one. Okay, love it, use it, got no problems with it. I picked this one up for $45. and that is the 3/8. But guess what? Also the, oh yeah, you guessed it. They also had the 1/2 inch as well for $45. I picked both of these up at the same time for $10 more than that right there. So not only do I have the 3/8, and I will turn these over so you can see right there, 1/2 inch. Whoa, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, big boy. And the 3/8. So literally 2 for the price of 1. Guys, y'all can't beat that. I'm telling you right now, if you are not an ITC member and you are not going to Harbor Freight and picking this stuff up, if you work on things at your home, you do it yourself, it's a no-brainer. These things are quality. They do work. I've not had any problems with it. And I mean, I love them. I literally love them. So, but yeah, like I said, not a lot to this. I just want to share with y'all the stuff I find, the stuff I use, and I really like. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it. But anyway, that's all the time I got for today. And as always, be nice to everybody, okay? I mean, there's a lot of crap going on in the world. We all are going, it's just going nuts from time to time. Be nice, and I hope y'all all have a great day. SEMO-MAC out.